Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide or disable the formula bar on the top of the Excel in your Microsoft Excel web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to turn off the formula bar on your Microsoft Excel web. So first of all, open the Excel sheet. So now I just opened and also I just going to increase the zooming size so you can easily understand. So while I just clicking this particular cell, you will see what the cell number was. This is actually an inbox. It's a C5, and also this is called the formula box or formula column. So you can just turn it off if you want to have a more space. So just want to click on the view option on the top, and here you will see an option called formula bar. You just click this and tick this, which actually hide the formula bar on your sheets. So this will have a more space of sheets. If you want, you can just turn off or hide the formula bar from your Excel sheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.